Are you experiencing some tightness in your hips? Are you also stuck at a desk for most of the day? I'm Dr. Israel. I'm going to show you the best way to loosen up the outside of your hips, specifically more in the glute piriformis region here. First thing we want to do is just check our hip range of motion. So first, let's bring one leg over the other. If you're struggling, you can kind of assist yourself and just compare side to side. So my right side, I'm a little above parallel. Left side I can already tell is a little tighter, and you can tell that's angled more. So this is the hip we're going to stretch. So most people are familiar with like a pigeon stretch in yoga. We're going to show you a way to do a seated pigeon stretch. So a true pigeon stretch, all we're doing is hinging at the hips here to get an outside stretch on the glutes, which I can already feel right here, and then you just kind of bring yourself back up. Hinge forward till you feel that tension, and then bring yourself back up. To get the best out of this stretch, we're going to do what we call an active stretch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hinge until I feel a lot of tension on the outside here, and then I'm going to actively push this leg into my other thigh to bring myself back up. Okay, so hinging forward, tension, pushing to bring my torso back up. Again, passive stretch, I'm hinging, a lot of tension here. I can bring it back up, but to get the best out of this, I'm hinging forward, pressure in this side to bring myself back up. Forward, back up. Now, if you're dealing with any low back pain or tension at the same time, very important that we don't want to, fold forward to get this stretch. We really want to pretend like we're just door hinging right here at the front of the hips. So nice tall spine, tension, drive into that leg to open that back up. Bonus tip. Now, if you're doing this stretch and you don't notice a ton of range of motion change, that's okay. We just need to be consistent. We don't always just do 10 reps of an exercise and get results just like that. But if you feel like you're getting a lot of that tension in the front side, especially when hinging forward, what you can do is put some pressure into the top side knee. And what I'm doing is I'm driving this knee up into my hand, about 20-30% of my max effort, and for about 7 to 10 seconds, and then I'm going to relax and then see if I can push a little bit further. And then repeat, push it up. You can tell I'm shaking right here. I'm giving it some good effort. 3, 2, 1, push it back down. And that way that can start to open that up at the same time.